Hakuna Matata, my country people are thrown a big salute for us today. Call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. Douala wu chapter for when we control need agree for leave people may they do something for go left and right for Douala. Don't tell me na helele we man we no get umbrella. No say you go always be wait for control go nyakara on a big story for talk about chapter back to school. You no feel lack. Strike two, you no feel lack. For this type of committee we been for Douala, ex-delegate them wey Papa Dr. Frinton and Tone don't talk to this woman, they go rest. They don't come out, carry their pikin and say this so pikin they never go back for school, they want their money, 5 months salary, then we say this woman, they put them back for work so confused, we'll come back to take una go for that side, we'll carry una to go Yaoundé, talk about former workers and for Lobus company where they come out to come begin strike. Say, Oga kwata, eh? We don't knock baby to sign and say they pay them before school resumption. 16 months salary where they never pay them, they don't allow take over the company so control. So the workers don't come out, they strike for that until they give them cap. No shaking, no good. Come on for that side, we go land for Kribi. Where yesterday see some boy die body for toilet where Michelle boy named Michelle about 30 years old where he don't die. They don't know when to really take side kids for that side. So we'll take one or two. Go for that side, even talk about be them for that side for Kribi. They don't do better work for they go arrange some school for that GS for Kribi day for that side for Kribi 2. They do it, arrange and paint them, give them penya class so back to school. You go find them after we'll take one or two go down for Batoke. So na Catholic school Batoke, they don't even wait till so back to school. It will even can for that side, but we will take una to go for that side for the work for the government technical high school. They will show una how teachers they come, but no picking, but on the grass we don't cover also. Even for that side for GS level, we carry una go that side, work about on that side for some una no to the apple for inside your country. If you call me Michael, call me Congo Saman. As I come back, we go enter for that to read proper. If you call me Michael, call me Congo Saman, but we do for Chakara on our own small legalized Congo Saman for make una know to happen for inside this country. We will start with this one yesterday for Douala. We work as a former delegate for community event. They come out, plug them, carry their beginning so they need the future beginning never go school. They say Dr. Frinton say according to the law, they don't get for put them back for say they strike last time. They about 5 to 6 months way. They become on the strike today, so they need to take them their medical insurance. The committee event, they need to take side for pay them for that side. Now anyway, they so time when this trouble be woke up. Oga Dr. Frinton in the past, they need to work with them. They fight. Instead of delegate them, no, they fight now for workers them their own struggle. So they don't come back the strike today. So at least make people population here because. Nope, now we don't have to talk so make they struggle for see how they go arrange their problem so that they fit start back the work so they don't come on and come back the strike so hey now what Papa Dr. Frinton do so say they once they open back their salary me they pass then they put them back for I say they carry their picking them come for Bunanjo can for that side they make some more march passing sing song work and march inside town watch march for that side so they no fit do nothing so because when you want over talk for make a minute not to happen they just tell us so because one aim to do so Dr. Frinton no correct again for work for that side say need to manage the thing for better way so our things takes happen for inside Douala yesterday so by this morning time they don't come again but after they come to they only say okay we don't hear we go struggle for see how they go look into a matter for arrange and whether it go come be fine or you know go they fine now, Papa, they don't even say, now, young boy, now, party, where they can't wait this more time, they go retirement. May they go retirement, so begin to na pension, now, in this way, they still work as taxes, so may they come back for work for that settle, now, big book, now, they take settle, sign and so they know what begin do things and baba, they return, so begin do them, so legally, so now, how they be fair do them first time, so now, how the country get for work, so for better ways to come people. More come for that side, so for Douala, for this side, for Bunanjo, na side, they work a match inside street, We'll take una this time around, go to for Yaoundé. For front Oga Kwata, even though they even go for Ministry of Finance for that side now, former workers and for lobbyist company be in number about 124 workers. Last August, they talk say 3 of their colleagues don't allow die. Landlord they don't drive them for house. Then someone in that woman they don't abandon and run go see this so they don't feel very kind suffer. We after striking another Nongame they come out strike. Prime Minister talks so may they go see Minister of Finance, they must pay them that money before back to school, before school one resume. 3 days after school resumption. Now they don't say this one if they should don't quiet. You mean say this so they don't go ever remember them. They come out try to do their own match passing. I beg gonna pay one money. I beg gonna pay one money. Woman no mommy or man. Now when they just know when I welcome we don't try for see wait to be when I pray so we will struggle for see and they say this so they beat them they don't go back until they give their money. Immediately for Cameroon if you know me no they don't ever remember you. More even ask one of these workers that follow this company for that side make it take side tell we what he bring una for this side and what you una refine.
And we were having 16 months of unpaid salary which has not been paid. Then our salary, our rights, since the company closed on the 31st of August 2016 to now, our right nothing has been paid. The president of board of directors, in the person of Mr. Nchime Evona, came to the company and told us that a new company would not take over if we don't have our money. We congratulated him for that, and up to date, nothing has been done. Informed the authority concerning the whole issue, and nothing has been done. The Prime Minister and head of government has equally written to the Minister of Finance 5 consecutive times for the money to be paid. Nothing has been done. We want to know if actually Cameroon is a state of law, that law should be applied. We have to take the law as it is and not as it ought to be. We are at this point in time, we are prepared to carry out any action if the money is not paid. But no, since Cameroon is a state of law, we are praying for the authority that they should do something as fast as possible before the situation get out of hands. Going to school for the past 3 years. Our wives, our husbands, and all the like, they are at home. Most of our colleagues don't have where to sleep. Our landlord have been chasing all out of the houses because we don't have anywhere to. Most of our colleagues have died because they have no money to go to the hospital to take care of their illnesses. Where are we? Are we not Cameroonians? We are praying and we are crying that the authorities should do something as fast as possible. If not, I will not tell you what will happen next.
Well, yeah. Say they not go shake, they not go feel come for that play until they uncap. He come back for the answer control. Contrary na kuna tori will take una come for that side for Yaoundé. Land this time around for that side for Kribi. Where yesterday morning they discover some dead body for that side. Boy of about 30 years away. He don't woke up, go for toilet. They 1 year, they start fight, they go discuss this so die body sleep for inside toilet for that side for Kribi. So control for inside Kribi 1. All manner side to waiting now. Wait to happen for that side. They call up and say go quarter. All man the owner can look and say where now you don't kill that boy. Wait you don't kill that boy. Boy of about 30 so if they for that side woman he just newly come for that compound now the toilet that's why they make a sing for that side so now he come be this way say so you don't come monitor and go for your say master outside Michelle they say so no they never say don't you come on the news no say don't come on go you don't wait just leave you say okay when we come they text me come for now he go there that now woman that way Jana don't come for that side and ask the question now the young boy this wait to kill you. They look his skin, they know since the boy, they show say they so sometimes they run box na box arm. When I did so because one they told you sometimes a heart attack on a way to don't happen now. So when you there, when you know say get small sick for skin when you there with people, them try for make me put them no so now idea way you know can give ballot for money compound for that side. But Jana they come now they do their own work. They say this so they carry this their body. Go so that me they go so go chook small mukenge for skin for look at what I did so whether na a woman don't put small thing you don't chop die or na normal die where you don't allow go die for that side so corporate city so now so the things take time happen yesterday for that side for Kribi as when they take una 2 koro I chop Christmas so but the boy now maybe they want to prepare now for do now for bury no more come for that side but we so remember for that side for Kribi but we go now say schools and for Cameroon. So and they see classroom picking the shit for learn book. Breeze the broke as and I carry all them. They go pen classroom, they arrange and put them the one day they don't get broken hole and after they put classroom and tomb in a penya. Then tell papa the mommy they say so May they do it, may they run scam for us. I can't put up begin take silent books so me no begin to say so they run government school because they need to fix them. They don't only go now for private school now beginning to for us side with be about more than they're going about 280 to 300 beginning for us side they take side with the headmaster they take you know they glad plenty for better we be they don't do for struggle for make so this so at least me then too they should don't learn book for better side. Maybe she don't to learn book too for better side so they can give even some small packet chalk they say so at least when they don't come to they go for make us me all man smile be they don't get for she don't be and that's what somebody do because they work as sleeping for different men come there where they work army them flop side by side and be them flop side by side do you want a better example no Rolando more come for that side for Kribi too carry we go to for Batoke go show with that Catholic school for Batoke. If be them two they will fit take style to enter for that side. The school, they told them back to school. But we don't know whether Catholic school for Batoke, they be even say back to school don't be. Because school bench no they matter. Press button, let me control take the two Croatia. As a school they like say, in fact, na pottery. Na grass the enjoy itself. Na Catholic school that for Batoke. Take your two Koro Christmas. Immediately when you see them, immediately talk back to school, no? Because they don't even think of say if you can clean small place, if you can even struggle for watch I'm saying, even though if picking not come, even picking never come school, not clean place, we don't arrange place, begin with this so at least me no arrange all things prepare with the wait so for say this so if picking they come take sides so for teach them for better way, even though some teachers them too they struggle come. So when they think come? So when they think come? Until we hear say so ordinary punky na time we to go run go for that side for camp take sense we see how the thing takes happen. Roland, more come for that side for Batoke, but carry we go time for take we go time for Lebialem. But move first start now government technical high school for Lewo. Teachers they come, but no one picking but only grass way they for school. They need to talk them again. I say only grass, and I repeat again. Grab the outside, not even chapier around for even choose so something. It takes happen for that side. So, but teachers and too, they will take the outside, come for school, come to so they don't come for teach. They will picking them. If picking never come, they don't go for their house. Them go force them. Now only few teachers they can't sit on them. Now only headmaster office. They take start to be for that side. But when you look the environment, it even shows so. They be even expect so picking they go come for school so control will be so so now image where the mom is struggle. You know say now when I be who hide them for outside there. If you understand picking the work about no picking the can enter for school campus for that side for level also for government technical high school for that side but all side just take that they try so on the grass or side by side you say even picking the even can school they go start when I say when I start chapier. When I start chapier not so for that side for royal area and so things takes happen so but Rolando go take we go time for GS, for GS level so majority for inside level show we because all the same if you only been a grass based on few teachers for GS level they can't she don't with headmaster they begin knock that story they say at least me they justify their salary basic school campus on the grass we take start so open as outside me say picking and say one can't enter class in your camp classroom they lock immediately na headmaster school they offer the open say they fit register but classroom they don't open because the future they come they go she on them for us normally when I give justify on a salary no she don't enter classroom begin wait no cleaning nothing they just say any idea the only she don't so for take start so they wait for see how the thing will come last and end after anything happen for inside this country so country people. Now the small story that will be take so gather for that today on the thing happen for inside your country, but no forget for knock on this country so for talk about this Anglo-Saxon evening school for that side for back chop a yamo for that side for Buna Musa the way the take so call all man city so the doors they don't be open. Any man way you want learn book, any papa or mama want learn how to read and write if you go for that side because they don't open adult illiteracy school. Means for papa them they don't know for read and write if you don't go for that side. Call that thing number they go tell you how the thing is takes operate. And I need money. Maybe on the adult school they get time. They get even man way want go find your OA, want go for go study, want go for go learn big book. You want see this so you want go for their education more, for get your certificate. And maybe not day school. This school na for evening. It means say even the adult school they go na for evening. After you be married man time when picking the don't come back for picking the don't come over school. That time you take your own bag, hang up for back. Mama they go for sa, they go for school. You where the work set, you know, say no from 4 o'clock, 4:30, if you go for school for that side, and they think nobody there for under scheme. If you call, contact them, they go tell you how you go take side. So for kind of day for that side, for Bona Musa, they for back chop a yamu for that side. If you take side, so join them for better way. Any day, another small to read, I'll be take side Ghana for that today on the year the thing happen for ancient country. So we'll tell you now.